Hey, what's going on? It's Keith with PromptROI, and right now I want to show you this new feature called projects. Now, the first way that you can go and encounter these projects is the profile here at the top, and then over here you're going to see this section that says projects. Now, when I click on that and scroll down, you're going to see we've got quite a few projects going on in here, right? Working with clients and creating content, and all you have to do is click on new project, give the project a name, say video about projects, hit create, and then we can click into it and we can add a new file. Now, we don't have to even do this. We can actually go like this. We can hit, I'll delete that. Let's go over and let's run a prompt, and let's go do a prompt for video. We'll do a commercial, and I'm going to put in a few variables here, and then we're going to run this. So just let me pause this for a second. Okay, so let me just zoom out here. Okay, so we filled in these inputs. So let's go ahead and zoom back in. We've got product or service, PromptROI, new projects and files feature. Main problem, organizing your outputs inside PromptROI software. Unique selling point, easily push your outputs to your projects and files from any tool in the entire suite. Desired emotion, you want them eager to try PromptROI. Call to action is get a free account. Business name is PromptROI. Business type is a SaaS company providing AI tools. And the target audience is people using AI tools to get work done or reselling the tools in PromptROI to earn residual income. Okay, so now all we're going to do is run this right here. We're going to go ahead and get an output. It's going to write a 60-second video commercial script for us that we can now go give to our media guy to go and create that video for us. Now, once this is done, I'm going to show you how we can take the output here and organize it in a project in a file. Okay, so you can see we have our script right here. Okay, we're not going to go through it, but it's probably really good. And we're going to go ahead and click add to file right here at the top. Now, before you had the copy to text or copy text function, great. You can go paste it somewhere. Now you have add to file. And this is where, I love this, you can go ahead and add a project here or choose a project that's already here. So let's say we want to create a new project. We're going to call this projects video, hit create. And then we're going to choose that from the list. So projects video right there. And we're going to go ahead and create a new file. We'll call this the 60-second commercial. Hit create. And then we're just going to choose that and push it to that file. You can see results added to file. Now that is in the file. So what's great about this is as we're going along and we're writing more copy for this project or this client or this situation, from Copilots, chat, wizards, toolbox, everything, we can push that data over to the project. And so that when you're done, you can come into projects, click into the projects, open up the file, and you'll have all your content here in your magic canvas. Now, this is where you can go ahead, you can update things here, you can throw videos and images. You've got a lot of functionality here to make this text look exactly the way you want it to look, delete things, whatever the case might be, and go ahead and make it all look great. Okay, so you can go ahead and update that, and then as you go, you can go ahead and push more content into here. And then we are working on a couple more things that are coming right around the corner. Number one, saved variables. That is going to be an amazing day because you are going to be able to go run more prompts with the variable answers that you already used on this project, like target audience or whatever the case might be. You'll be able to pop those in and run this content way faster, push it into the file, and get on with your business, probably 5 to 10 times faster than you can now by having to re-enter those variables in. Okay. The other thing we're working on is sharing this content outside of PromptROI. That's going to be a really great day when we give the ability to push things out through the API, through Zapier. It's all coming down the pipe. So a lot of exciting things to come. But right now I am super pumped with my ability to be able to organize my outputs in folders called projects with files that are editable, make them look clean. The thing I love about this too, when you push your output to a file, it actually gets rid of all the asterisks and the and the number, the number sign and all that. Okay, so very clean. Good job, dev team. Really good job, dev team. Love you guys. By the way, the wizards, if you haven't seen yet, they are incredible. I've run 47 wizards so far. They're really unbelievable. They write full websites. They do some crazy stuff. So check those out if you haven't yet. I appreciate you guys watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Oh, by the way, go get your trial, PromptROI.ai. Get a free account. You can get a trial if you want, but you can get a free account to start and just get started in here. Okay, so www.PromptROI.ai, or if you want to become a reseller of PromptROI, come join us at app.PromptROI.io. That's app.PromptROI.io. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.